Very soon you would see Zambia and Ghana babies, because I know what boys
All
they
be
do
lie,
low-key.
all be lie.
Where I know what Zambia meant to they do low key for when I girls them are inbox. And so I've really enjoyed this whole banter between Zambia and Ghana. If you are from Zambia, let me see you in the comment section. Show some love.
All
Show
be
some
lie,
love,
all be
man.
lie.
Zambia people. Show some love to Ghana. We love you, but you are all fucking people. You see, one thing I've really enjoyed about this banter is that someone will tell you that the fugu is for the northern people of Ghana. And so we expect them to stand and defend their costume, or, part of the Volta region where they wear the fugu. But you see, we came together as one and we fought for the nation. There was no NDC, there was no MPP. All that we care is that somebody tried to make a mockery of our president. And so we need to prove to them that we are Ghanaians and we are proud of ourselves. And so this is how we should see ourselves as Africans. Very soon you would see Zambia and Ghana babies, because I know what boys they do low-key. Where I know what Zambia meant to they do low-key for when I girls them are inbox. And so I've really enjoyed this whole banter between Zambia and Ghana. Zambia, they are beautiful people. They took this on a lighter side, no aggressiveness. Say things to Zambia, they will just post your fugu. We will also post their skirts and we'll all laugh over it. This is the beauty of the one Africa we are all looking out for. You understand? And so big ups to Zambia people. We've really enjoyed this thing. We've really enjoyed this banter. We know you've apologized, but it won't end there. Ghana with a drag issue. You go they tire you. We. Hey, you fro, you molele. Ask a guardian to explain that to you. But Zambia, we love you guys. You guys are amazing people. I'm actually looking at some of the pictures from Zambia. It's a beautiful country and I'm planning to visit Zambia. If you want to visit Ghana, now we don't have any visa restrictions. As at if you're from Zambia and you want to visit Ghana, borderless Africa, come through Ghana. Let's have some amazing time at the Kakum National Park, at the Cape Coast Castle, at Elimina Castle, at Boti Falls and Ebri Gardens and Jamestown, Independence Square. You don't need to be ISO speed before you visit a fellow African. Come, we'll welcome you Zambians. We're also coming to your city very soon. One love Africa. We are out of fear. Now, if you are from Zambia, let me see you in the comment section. Show some love. Show some love, man. Zambia people. Show some love to Ghana. We love you, but you are all fucking people.